Today we are working on comparing numbers through 10. You need workmat 4-1 with your name on it, a pencil, and some counters. You'll need quite a few counters today, a little bit more than 10. I'm going to use two-sided counters. Those will work really well. You use what counters you have. So the first one we're going to work on is we're going to compare the number 5 to the number 7. So we're pretending like we're in a garden and we're comparing vegetables or seed packets. So we're going to put 5 red vegetables on top. Before we do that, let's write the number 5. So we're going to, I do my 5 like a hat, a neck, and a big tummy. Then we will put 5 counters on to match the number 5. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your mat should look like mine. You have written the number 5 and you've put 5 counters on. Now down here we are going to put 7 counters on. So first let's get our pencil and trace the number 7. There's a hat and then we slide down to the grass. And we're going to put 7 counters on the bottom. I'm going to turn my counters over so I put the yellow side up so they're easy to see the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we can compare the counters. Are there more reds or are there more yellows? You're right, there are more yellows because 7 is greater than 5. Now let's show our work. So if we move the red counters off, they already drew them for us. They drew 5 counters. Now we have to draw the yellow counters. So you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's draw our lines to compare. See who has partners? And we can see that there are 2 more down here. So we know 7 is greater. Let's circle the greater number. Great job. Now here we are going to compare the number 6. So let's put a 6 up here. Get your pencil. Starting at the sky, curve around to the ground and back up to the plane line. That is the number 6. Now we are going to put on 6 red counters. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I would like you to put on 6 yellow counters. So let's write the number 6 again down here, starting at the sky, down to the grass, back to the plane line. And now we'll put our pencil down and put on 6 yellow counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we are going to show our work. But before we do, let's think. Let's compare our groups. Do I have more red or do I have more yellow? You can't answer that question, can you? Because I have the same. I have the same number of reds as I have of yellow. The numbers are equal. They are the same. So I'm going to show now that we know our numbers are the same or equal. So we're going to move our red counters off. They've already drawn them for us. And we are going to show with our yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's draw lines to compare. And everyone has a partner. When everyone has a partner, the numbers are the same or equal. So I'm not going to circle anything because I don't have more and I don't have less. The numbers are the same. They are equal. All right, now let's turn our paper over. And these little guys are doing their gardening. He's comparing tomatoes and bell peppers. He's comparing carrots to corn. We are going to compare sprinkling cans or watering cans. There are 3 reds, 1, 2, 3. Let's trace the number 3. And 4 blue watering cans, 1, 2, 3, 4. Trace the number 4. And we're looking on this side, we're looking for the greater number. So let's partner them up. And I can tell this one doesn't have a partner. 4 is greater than 3. All right, now we're going to compare corn packets to tomato packets. So let's count carefully. Touch as we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll write the number 10. And now let's count tomato packets. Sometimes I put a mark while I count. That helps me remember what I've counted. You can do that too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's partner them up. Draw your lines. And you can see that the corn has more. Oops, I forgot to write the number down here. Let's do that real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe you remembered without me telling you. We should have a 7 down here. So I know the corn is greater. 10 is greater than 7. So I'm going to circle the greater number. On this side, we're going to circle the number that is less, the group that has less. So let's count the bell peppers. We can put marks on them if we'd like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write 6 down here. Now we're going to count the peas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A head and a spine makes a 9. Now we'll draw lines to compare. Oh, these peas don't have partners. So the peas have more and the bell peppers have less or fewer. 6 is less than 9. This time we're going to circle the number that is less. Now we're counting flowers. We're going to count yellow flowers and pink flowers, and we're going to circle the number that is less. So I would like you to count your yellow flowers, write the number. Count your pink flowers, write the number. Draw lines to compare, and then circle the number that is less. Happy counting!